Welcome back to the Forensic Detailing channel. Today we're cleaning the Schneider Schnaut and undercarriage. Why? Because after 90 minutes of sheer hell, you're going to get thirsty. After 6 months of salty winter road grime, it's all caked on under there and you just want to get it clean. Now ideally, in an ideal world, you'd have some sort of 4-pillar lifter and you could get right under there and scrub the hell out of all of it and get in all the little ball joints and bust your bust your knuckles or bust something else and get it really clean. Yeah, but I don't. So what I'm doing today is I'm just going to fill the undercarriage with a non-caustic, non-corrosive pre-wash, so built hamper touchless. You could go very high PIR with this, even like 10% or something. Some of you will panic. Just real for extreme degreasing, or you could use like a strong APC degreaser like Surfex at 5 to 10% PIR and spray it all underneath there. Let's get that done first. So I've got the car jacked up. So of course, if you have the car jacked up, of course you're going to get the health and safety people wanting to put in the comments how you should not. How it's dangerous. I'm not going underneath the car, so it's just jacked up, and I'm going to be squirting it from the safety margins back here. So if you go underneath that car and start scrubbing away, yes, you're a bit of an idiot, because those jacks, you put some axle stands under it. I hate being under cars like that. Just sort of like I'm under there and thinking, oh, it's going to come down on me. So yeah, don't worry, health and safety people. I'm using my Ava pressure washer, and this is a prototype master, but it's actually a P80, even though it says P60 on it. Oh, does it say P60 or P80? It's a P80 basically. It's got the top whack pressure, but it's got that fix applied to it to lower the drain or something, or draw and stop the fuses bursting. And I haven't had a single problem with it, so I don't know. I don't know when that's coming in live. I'll try and find out. And I'm just using their gun to get into the undercarriage. I'm just using this 90-degree Putenschaften, which is like a arm that you can put on. It's got the nozzle built in. Probably want to avoid ever using these. It's a patio thing. Don't know really. You just don't want to go near paintwork with those or anything, because that's it's like a stream that twizzles round rather than lowering the pressure. So that's designed for patios. I've got the extension arm here, so I'll probably go in with this on the extension arm, get it on there, get it under there. Anyway, I'm going to hit the deck. Is this thing switched on before I hit the deck? Never usually is it? Get under there. It's going to be a bit awkward, but hopefully you can see what's going on. So I've got a little bit of oil there on the RMS. The RMS seal, it doesn't leak or drip, but it's a tiny little bit of oil leak there. It's a bit of a pain. Apart from that, I did want to have a look at the brake lines over there, over there. I need to get that up on a ramp really. I'll have to have a word with Martin, see if I can borrow his ramp again. Right, let's get some Schnuffelschnaken on this, and I'm going to open this right up so we get a bit more of a jet going. Okay. You see all that? Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. We'll be at the wrong angle, won't we? Get it all in there, John. Lovely jubbly. Let's just change angles. Ugh. You can see all the dirt coming down already. Sorry. Fill it all up. Get it all in there. Just leave a little bit in case I need it for whatever. Obviously do this when the engine's cold, I think. But it doesn't really matter. But yeah, you don't want to be roasting your engine. You'll be smouldering the surfactants. Yeah, and I'm going to give this 10 minutes of soak out time. So there we go. It's now a good time to have a little chatting with you. A little chatty. Or I can't string that out for 10 minutes. We're doing a video on this one this week. for soft 99. You know about Bazooka, Raindrop Bazooka. Spray and rinse type product. It's probably the handiest time, isn't it, to utilise putting protection on, maintenance protection, when you're drying the car. So you don't have to dry it and then put on another protection, then buff again, so you're double buffing almost. You put it on, then towel dry, you know, that works quite well. And you get, helps you dry the car as well. And there's going to be a cool deal on that. I think you'll be able to get it for £2. But I'm just waiting to find out what the details of that deal are. But £2, it's good, isn't it? You can't, those little deals where, you know, you have to buy, probably have to buy something else, but those little deals, you go in and get your pot fuso, whatever you want, and get this for £2. That's like getting it for free, because a cup of coffee is like £3.50 nowadays. So detailing products can be very cheap with the little deals. What else is going on? I'm making great progress on all my little list of jobs, guys. I've fixed that vibration. I want to get those brake lines. I want to eyeball them again. Then most of this can wait. What's going on there? I can't remember. I've got to do a couple of videos with Martin. I want to do a video on Martin's new car, and I've got to finish the edit on a tank video that we've been doing. Got to get that edit done. I'll try and get that done this weekend. Yeah, that's cool. So what I'll do is I'll come back in a second once this thing has had its chance to do its thing. I can already see all sorts of weird colours coming down, which is good. So it's just dripping off loads of dirt and God knows what. But the blast will really help it. So I'll be back in a second when we're ready to blast. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go in and blast this out now. It's had a good chance to dwell. Took one for the team then, right in the face. It's a messy old job. The amount of crap coming off the bottom of this car is unreal. Can you hear me? probably do. While it's up in the air. Oh no. I'm just gonna put some of this Cronus cleaner in the exhaust. Let that do its thing. So yeah, now I'll jet wash this out of the garage. The reason I got this half in the garage is because I can't get the jacks under the car, it's too low. So if I just put the back up on that, I can get it up, if you pardon the pun. So we've got to spin this around. The problem is the front of the car is covered in plastic under trays and there's not much there. But so I could probably, in fact, just do the front from in there and in there and just give it a jet wash, really try and get under the wheels. I'm not too worried, like I say, because it's all plastic under there with those bits. You'd have to take them off, really. Yeah, I mean, you can't beat having it up on a ramp and just having some brushes, and really the brushes give you more power, don't they? And you can just get in and scrub some bits out and stuff like that. So yeah, but there you go, guys. I think once a year, probably after winter, this is a good idea, just blast the underneath of it. If you want to go one step further, you could put some of this stuff in a sprayer. In fact, I'll probably do that, it's a good idea. And you know, if you've got one of those pump sprayers with a stick on it, and you can just blast the undercarriage with Atom Mac. I'll probably just do it from here, actually. I've got some in the bottle. If I put that on like this, there we go. Yeah, they'll be able to douse all that everywhere. Not that it's going to really make much difference, but it's really, it's not a rust treatment system. So this will just stop the promotion of any corrosion. It's a rust inhibitor, isn't it? So it's good for like brake discs and stuff after you clean, but I very rarely use this stuff. I'm not sure if it's going to make a massive difference here. If I was trying to treat any of this rust, then I think all the built hamber stuff would be the way to go, wouldn't it? But don't know. Don't know really much about any of that stuff. So you get the idea. Quick blast off all the crap that gets underneath the car. And I probably need to keep going as well for another 10, 15 minutes, just blasting down there as well. I want to have a look at that brake area under there. That's part that I want to get to. So thanks for watching, guys. Do you do this? You could probably get under there without jacking it up. It just helps you see what's going on. You can use your patio washer hack, turn it upside down, blasts up. Good to get a bit of detergent under there because it does help break down all that heavy grease. So what do you do in terms of undercarriage cleaning? That's it for me. Don't forget to subscribe to the Forensics Detailing channel. I'll see you soon.